Hey, crafty friends. We are going to take the dollar store tinsel ornaments and trim them up. So we're going to get rid of the tinsel. We're just using the form that's underneath all the tinsel. Tinsel's not my style. I'm using some homespun fabric, and I'm starting with just a dab of hot glue, and I'm just going to wrap it until I don't have any more. This is just cotton that I have cut and torn, so it's got those rough edges. Add another little hot glue and keep going. I had to take that one apart because it wasn't laying right. Add a little hot glue to fold it over, and then we're going to start another strand. So we do this with all three of the stars. Any little edges or corners, I just pinch them together with hot glue. So there's one that's done. You can embellish them how you want. I added a piece of muslin that I used a stencil and some alcohol pins on, and just hot glued that on. You can get carried away with lots of stuff. Raffia, Spanish moss, old buttons. These are perfect in a dough bowl. Now this is a coordinating piece of fabric, and I'm going to do the same thing with it. So you could do this in an everyday fabric and leave them out all the time. To me, this decor can stay out all the time, or do for any holiday, just by picking the right fabric. So I'm going to make a bow out of the previous fabric we used. Just a small bow. Dab of hot glue, put that in place. This one is just plain muslin, and it was a little bit wider of a strip than the other two, but that's okay. I think it turned out just as cute. I needed just a tiny little piece to go back over the edge of that star. Now we have that one all done. We'll just make a cute little messy bow with all the fabrics blended in and some raffia. So perfect. Happy crafting.